Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 password sign in option missing. Click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Sign in Options, turn off for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts on this device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.